Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep as a comment bank when giving feedback in Google Documents. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. I have my sample research document here, and I want to add some feedback in the form of comments to this document. Perhaps I want to add a comment about, let's say, the picture itself and say, interesting choice of picture. So I could do it that way. But if I'm trying to go through, let's say, 25 papers from students or 100 papers from my students over the course of a weekend, writing that comment over and over again can get a little tedious. So I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to show you another way to go about adding comments that you can reuse over and over again. So I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side of my Google document, and you'll see I have Keep over there on the right-hand side. And if you don't see that, just open up that little side panel menu in the bottom right corner of your Google Docs. And let's add the Keep option here. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to write a new note. And I'm going to call this note picture choice. And I'm going to write in this note here, interesting choice of picture. Does it support your point? And I'm going to click done. And now, whenever I am commenting on a student's paper about their pictures, I'm just going to go here and copy that text. And in my comments, I'm just going to paste it in and add in my comment. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Richard, that's great, but your notes are all out of order. Well, I want to show you an easy way to find your notes. And the reason why I gave that a title of picture choice will be clear in just a second when I type in this. Into my search, I have entered SCNT, which matches up to my note about sentence structure. And you can see there I've written some sample feedback about sentence structure. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to use that here in this comment that I'm going to add to the paper for my student. And if I want to go back and find that note about pictures, I'll just type in PIC in my search, and I have picture choice, and there's my comment that I'm now just going to paste into the document. Now, some of you may point out that you could create a comment bank in Google Classroom, and that works well. But if you don't want to use the comment bank in Google Classroom, this is a great option for creating canned comments that you quickly insert into your students' Google Documents. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.